organize something through you. We do the chicken class 3 times a year. So we raise those broilers 3 times a summer. First batch we pick up as baby chicks in around mid-April. And then basically 8 weeks later, we process them. We usually stagger a little bit. So 3 or 4 weeks later, we'll get our second batch. And then 3 or 4 weeks later, get our third batch. So the last batch usually gets processed in like mid-August. We've pushed it as far as mid-September, but you're starting to get a little bit colder. And I like to kind of just be done with things by then. But we do those 3 batches each time that we do the process, and we teach the class. And the class is about an hour and a half or 2 hours. And there's sort of like a 1-hour lecture covering some of the things we've been talking about, but also a tour and showing you how to properly raise them. Because as I mentioned, if you don't raise them properly, it's no better than what you're getting in the store. Well, it's still better than what you're getting in the store, but it's not as healthy as what could be if you're raising them properly. So we do that whole thing, and then we process them, and the students actually pick up a chicken and process it and package it and take it home with them as part of the class.
And I think I've heard you say in the past, I don't know if you're still doing it, but you would actually give course materials.
They get a book. They get a book a booklet that I put together to take with them. So what I started to mention earlier, when I first went and killed that chicken in 2017 myself, that wasn't a chicken raising class. That was, here's how you kill a chicken. And it was basically, here's the steps to kill the chicken and take the crop out and make sure that it's cleaned properly, and then put it in a package, in a bag and shrink wrap it. But that's the least important part. Like, I could give you a chicken and say, here's a chicken, you need to turn it into food. Like, you'd figure it out. It's not that hard.